Would like to tell those friends who allege us that the MDA government led by NPP is disastrous. Let me just tell them, it is victorious. Instead of disastrous, it is victorious. So let us wait and see. On the 2nd of March, when the vote is counted, you will see and we will prove it, and the mandate of the people in the state of Meghalaya will be in our favor.
We have seen the NPP in its manifesto has reiterated that it will again pursue ILP language issue, resolving border issue. But we have seen in the manifesto of the opposition party, the AITC, we have seen the ILP has taken a back seat. So what do you have to say on that?
You will understand the duplicity of this party, as I said to you, because AITC, I don't know. Number one, if you talk about the border issue, what they said very clearly, they wanted to scrap the MOU signed between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam. That itself proves that these people, they are not at all serious about the issue, the long pending issue of the boundary along the Meghalaya and Assam border. So therefore, ultimately, as I said to you, people will judge, and people who understand well what they wanted to and what the intention of the TMC newly entry party here, they will get the result on the 2nd of March.
On ILP, sir, what do you have to say? There is lack of commitment.
Allocation can be made. Anybody can just create confusion among the people. But if you really have that evidence, why not you go as per law? I used to clarify this time and again. I used to tell them, if you have so much allegation against the NPP-led government or the MDA government, please go as per the prescribed norms of law, where we cannot hide anything. You can do it, and then nobody can hide anything, whatever allegation made by the opposition or by anybody. And I'm telling you right now, the NPP-led government, we have tried our best, and we will continue to complete or to accomplish the aspirations of the people of the state.
See as a party.
Well, that is true. They can also allege us, or they can also call NPP is the Meghalaya-based party. So it is very open. The ITC starts from where? It started from Bengal only. So the origin of this party is from there. So why do you have to create confusion on that? And I think Dr. Mukul Sangma himself, he joined to the Bengal party. It's very clear. If he wanted to join with NPP, we would have said, yes, he's a citizen of Meghalaya. Therefore, he wanted to strengthen the Meghalaya-based party. But he did not, and he joined the ITC. Mandate of the people, I could see the mandate of the people and the movement, the mass movement that has taken place, every meeting that we have is in our favor. So I'm very sure on the 2nd of March, we will be able to cross the required number, means we will cross the bridge, and we will also rot us, so we are not able to set up candidates.
Coming to Peninsula subdivision, does it serve any purpose? Because you have to come all the way from there to file the nominations here, unlike Sora.
Oh yeah, good point. Let me just tell you one thing. See, right now, we just started, we got sanctioned the mini secretariat building. So the work has just started. We will wait maybe for 1.5 to 2 years. Once the mini secretariat is completed, everything will be shifted to Peninsula civil subdivision.
So another question.
The mind of NPP is, now we are fighting unitedly to cross the magic number, mean to cross 32, 33 seats. Once that is done, then those newly elected members will sit down, then we will elect the leader.
Will you claim for the CM post?
I said right now we are in the middle of the bridge. Let us cross the bridge. Then only you can ask the question.
So I mean, it depends on the...
Interested to be the chief minister ever?
Did I say that? I said, what I'm saying is, we are in the middle of the bridge. Let us cross the bridge. And once that is done, you will see, and then we will inform you accordingly.
But will there be any number equation that will you get more numbers here, then the CM will come from this region?
Right now, let me just tell you one thing, that both the region will be able to cross 33, 34 seats. This is the point.
So they are
I've just seen only the newspaper. But for us, as I said to you, this general election, we will go on our own. Let us cross the bridge, because we are full confident, we have confidence that we will cross the magic number, means 32, 36. 18, you'll see the wave is too good, but all are cold wave. It's a cold wave, okay? So therefore, the wave is always there, but we have seen it, we have experienced it. Let them talk any wave, anything. But I'm telling you right now, NPP wave prevails everywhere. Okay. I don't believe in hung verdict. That's what I keep telling you. I keep telling you that we are going to cross the required number.